Hey guys, this is Paul from Nihilo Concepts in Stuart, Florida. Today I'm going to show you the separate start-stop conversion kit from Nihilo Concepts. It's a new design that converts your start-stop switch from the unified switch that comes on the right-hand side of your handlebar into a separate start-stop switch. This is very important if you're racing off-road or hare scrambles, so you can switch the locations of the start and the stop. Installation is very easy. All you got to do is remove the front number plate. Depending on the type of bike you have, you need a 6mm socket or an 8mm socket. In this case, we have a 450 XCF 2024 6mm socket. Next, you remove the number plate, stick it on the side, and locate your start-stop switch main connector. In this case, is this one right here. Push down the tab and disconnect. After you disconnect the main switch, you want to go ahead and cut any zip ties that are attaching the cable to the bike. And you want to remove the stock start-stop switch out of the handlebar. The stock OEM switch slides right out after you loosen up the bottom bolt. Out goes your stock start-stop switch. You can install your throttle housing back on. When you put the throttle tube back on, go all the way until it stops, and then back out about 1/8 of an inch. That's going to allow the throttle tube to not get hung up on the handlebar. And tighten it down. Next, you proceed to install your Nihilo Concepts separate start-stop switch conversion kit. This is a motocross bike, so we're going to install the start switch, which is the green button on the right-hand side. Some people choose to route the cable on the upper part of the handlebar. Some people do it on the lower part. Some people do it right behind it. It's your choice. Make sure to adjust the position of your switches to wherever it's comfortable for you and tighten them up. Once your switches are properly located, make sure the routing of the cable is nice and free. You can install a little bit of dielectric grease on the connector and connect. Find the tab where the connector goes, click it in, and you can use zip ties to safely secure it. The last step is to put the number plate back on. And you're ready to start your motorcycle. And there you have it. It only takes a couple minutes. It's very easy to install your Nihilo Concepts separate start-stop conversion kit. They're available at nihiloconcepts.com. Thanks for watching.